Hey guys, in today's video I will be installing the X-Pression Bahamas Curls 14-inch in the color 1B. If this is something that you would like to learn more about, then stay watching. Okay? Hey guys, this is Donna with TheBestLife and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches! Alright guys, before I begin this installation, as I mentioned in the previous recording, I do have the Bahamas Curl purchased from Sam's Beauty. It's by the brand X-Pression and I have her in the color 1B and this is 14 inches long. So in this video we have traditional 10 cornrows going back and I have a connection in the middle so that it will be easy to part the crochet braids for her as she styles it within days to come. Let's begin the installation. Well, there you have it, guys. I used the X-Pression Bahamas Curl pattern, color 1B. And like I said before, it was pre-looped. I decided to just go ahead and just torch that, scratch it. I went ahead and I pulled them apart and I installed it individually. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah! Smooches until